After 4 long years, Samsung is finally ready to level up its game with the Galaxy S25 series. As we inch closer to the official Unpacked event, which is just 43 days away, the excitement is palpable. Samsung is set to unveil what could be a truly complete Galaxy device, bringing it closer to the iPhone in terms of innovation and functionality. But that's not all, there's more in store, including the highly anticipated reveal of the Samsung Galaxy XR headset. However, before we dive into that, let's talk about some important updates and a bit of sad news. For years, one feature that has been a major differentiator between iPhones and Samsung Galaxy devices is MagSafe. Apple's MagSafe technology allows iPhone users to enjoy magnetic accessories, from chargers to wallets, all thanks to built-in magnets. Samsung fans have long been envious of this feature, as Galaxy devices haven't natively supported magnetic accessories. But the tide is about to turn. According to reports, the upcoming Galaxy S25 series will finally support the Q2 wireless charging standard, bringing magnetic charging and accessories to the table. This is Samsung's answer to Apple's MagSafe, and it's a huge deal. While this might seem like a small feature, MagSafe has been one of the most loved and convenient additions to the iPhone lineup, and Samsung's adoption of this tech could be a game changer. It's not just a win for current Galaxy users, it's a strategic move by Samsung to attract iPhone users who have been craving this magnetic compatibility. However, there is a bit of concerning news on the horizon. According to recent reports from South Korean media, the Galaxy S25 series may see a price increase compared to the S24 lineup. While the exact increase isn't confirmed, we could be looking at an additional $100 added to the price tag. The primary reason for this price hike is the cost of the new Qualcomm Snapdragon chip, which will power all markets. This is a result of Samsung's failure to develop its own Exynos 2500 chip in time, forcing the company to rely on Qualcomm's more expensive chips. While nothing is finalized yet, it's likely that this price increase will vary across different regions, so we'll have to wait for more details as we approach the launch. And here's the big surprise. Samsung is likely to debut its Galaxy XR headset alongside the Galaxy S25 series at the 2025 Unpacked event. This headset could be Samsung's first foray into the world of extended reality, XR, combining both virtual and augmented reality experiences. The company is reportedly aiming to produce around 50,000 units for the initial 2025 launch. While this number may seem modest, it's a solid starting point for a brand new product category. The XR headset could be one of the most exciting tech innovations from Samsung in years, and we might get our first glimpse of it at the Unpacked event. So, that's a wrap on the major updates surrounding Samsung's upcoming launch. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later, peace out.